If I go, will you go? If I pay, will you play? Do you know what I know? Do you love?
So I'm currently uploading my video right now, which is gonna be the video that's gonna obviously be before this one. But that one was just the Pristine Stance meetup that I got invited to and all the homies went to, and it's pretty fun. But that's not even the point of this video. This video is to tap you guys in with what I just got. So hopefully it's gonna like elevate the quality of the videos on the channel. If you already don't know by the title of the video, it's gonna be the Mavic Mini. So the reason why I got this one is because I was actually influenced by my manager. He actually has one of these. He showed me some of the footage on his, and I was like, whoa, that's really awesome. I was kind of blown away. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you some beauty shots of the box, and then I'm gonna go into actually unboxing it and showing you what comes inside. All right, so when you get the box in this joint, you see it has the actual drone. It has like a little bumper system, has the controller, the terminal to charge the batteries, some extra batteries in the case. So as you can see, that's what it comes on it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, you can adjust that. Oh, that's crazy. Ooh, this camera's nice. Look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what's inside. So you can see all the individual parts are labeled with what it actually comes inside. And you can just like smell the material. It smells really nice. It smells really premium. Like when you get like brand new headphones, they smell like, I don't know, but it smells really good. Maybe it's just the stuff they put inside the box, but so yeah, I'm just gonna take all the stuff out, show you what it looks like. So in this box, you get like I think this is your charger brick. You get like a user manual here. It's not really, it's basically like how you use it, how you not use it, all the boring stuff. And then in this box, you get like the batteries. So it comes with 3 extra batteries for this package here. Because I, keep in mind, I did buy this at the Apple Store. In the Apple Store, you might get a little extra more with what you buy there. And then in this box, as you see, it's like the little drone bumper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's like in the package still. So it's actually like 2 separate pieces that you use for the propellers. And then in this box, this is where all the fun is happening. So as you can see, you have your drone here. You have the the actual controller, and the battery charger terminal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out, show you guys. Keep in mind, this is like my first drone. I don't even know how to fly this yet, but I'm gonna get the hang of it. And this part like swivels around this way. So that's the drone. This is what you get when you buy the Mavic Mini. So you get this joint, you get this controller here. It's pretty nice. I don't even know how to open it up, bro. Yeah, here we go, go this way. And then I guess you put your phone in this part, and then these are your antennas, so you get like signal. I don't want to break it, but yeah, so you put your phone on this part. And then I think this is like your battery terminal, controller, I think battery charger. Yeah, battery charger for the extra batteries that you get in the box. So overall, you really do get a lot of stuff here. And then you do get like some extras here too. I don't even know what these are. There's no like indication on the box. What does it say? Oh, these are your accessories. These are probably like the cables, to be honest. Yeah. So you get like a bunch of extra cables. I assume this is to like charge this and to charge this as well. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. That's everything that's in the box here. And obviously you have like your brick and you have this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with it, and then I'm gonna see how this is, because this is my first drone, as I said, and I'm really excited because I always wanted a drone, so I'm gonna get some really cool shots for the channel. So you guys should stay tuned. Let me come around here, put these on the floor. So guys, just stay tuned. Let's have a little bit. So the quality of the videos on the channel should hopefully like improve, because obviously I have a drone now, and I'm definitely gonna try my best to get some really cool shots with this guy. So as soon as Seattle's weather actually clears up, because it's like freaking rainy right now, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get some shots. It's gonna be cool. So it's just a quick little unboxing video to basically shows you what everything that comes in the box when you get like a DJI Mavic Mini, which I believe this is. Yeah, it is Mavic Mini. Mavic Mini. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna try to get this up and running so I can tap in and get some really cool shots. So thanks for watching the channel, and I really appreciate it, guys. And just, you know, tap in and stay tuned for more. I'm definitely gonna try to be more consistent in my videos. So I'm just gonna try to make it as, you know, really easy and simple as possible for you guys to make it some really good content. So just stay tuned, and, you know, maybe we're gonna tap in and see some really cool stuff in the future. So tap in, and Galactic Entertainment out.
If I stay, will you stay? If I go, will you go? If I pay, will you play? Do you know what I know? Do you love?